up everyone, I'm Cameron ZINK. I am mostly known for jumping a mountain bike, and that's what we're here to teach you here at Jackson Hole Mountain Resort. It is probably the most intimidating part of mountain biking, but once you get it, you implement proper body mechanics, it is some of the most fun you can have on a bike. First thing, trying to get off the ground, keep front end high. It's all about the setup and it's all about the initiation. You can't control a bike like an airplane when you're in the air. So it's all about how you take off the lip, your body positioning. The worst case scenario is getting kicked over the bars. Starting small, we definitely want to keep our front end up. Not the most stylish way to do it, but it is the most safe way because if your front end's high, you can grab the brake and bring the front end back down. Because when you're here, you're not off the ground. Your back wheel's still on the lip, and if you start to unweight and you're not pressing into the suspension, it's gonna pogo you, and you're just gonna start slowly going over the front. So that's why I'm so adamant about staring at the top of the takeoff and pushing your feet all the way through it. Get used to coming off the takeoff and knowing what the bike's gonna do, feeling comfortable flying through the air a little bit, clearing a jump, judging your speed, and knowing how fast you're gonna have to go to get to top of the landing's ideal, or just the tiniest bit down, but then keeping the front end up so you're in a safe spot. If you come off in the air and your front end's high, we can grab the brake. If we're leaning left and we maybe get wind blown or you're leaning left, turn left. The gyro, the front wheel is gonna bring you back up. Same thing for the right. When we get our speed right, we know how fast to clear it. You can just push through and then just do nothing. When you have a high front end, you can always grab the brake and bring it back down, and even landing like that doesn't matter at all. It's all good, it's safe. You can start feeling more comfortable. You can start to nose it in, start to get a little more stylish. All right, so in closing, the only thing I really wanted to focus on jumps is the takeoff, because once you do that right, everything else will unfold, and it's just seat time, repetition. Your brain will get really good at figuring out speed just by seeing this landing coming in and just repetition. You're gonna be able to know whether you need to brake or pull up a little bit more. But it's all about seat time. Responsible progression. Places like Jackson have trails with tons of jumps on them. Just get your laps in, stay safe, keep the front end high for a while, and then you can start whipping it out.